Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see the best camera settings on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Now for the 5th best camera settings on your Samsung phone, just open the camera app, then tap on the 4 dots over here, then tap on settings. Now first of all, you will find the option of scene optimizer. Now after you enable this toggle, your smartphone will automatically optimize the colors and the contrast of the pictures you take with the camera app on your Samsung phone. After that, you will find the option of high efficiency pictures. Now, if this option is enabled, just disable it. Now, if this option is enabled on your Samsung phone, your smartphone will capture photos in HEIF format. And this format is not supported in some apps and websites. So just disable this toggle. And after disabling this toggle, the pictures you capture with the camera app will be stored in the JPEG format. Also do the same with high efficiency videos. If this option is enabled, just disable it. Now after high efficiency photos and videos, you have the option of video stabilization. Now just enable this toggle. And after enabling this toggle, the camera app will automatically stabilize the videos you record with the camera app. And finally, you have the option of auto HDR. And after you enable this toggle, the pictures you capture with the camera app will be more detailed in the bright and the dark areas. For the 4th best camera settings, in the camera app, you will find the option of 12 megapixels. Now, if you tap on it, you will increase the resolution of the pictures from 12 megapixels to 50 megapixels. But remember, if you enable 50 megapixels on your Samsung phone, the auto HDR and the scene optimizer will be disabled. So if you want to use the scene optimizer and the auto HDR option, just select 12 megapixels. Otherwise, you can enable 50 megapixels to get the full resolution out of the camera on your Samsung phone. For the 3rd best camera settings, just open the camera app, then tap on More, and over here you will find a few settings. First of all, you will find the option of food. Now, if you enable food mode, the camera app will optimize the colors of the food in your pictures, and it will also focus on the object and it will blur the surroundings. After food mode, you have the option of slow motion. And by using slow motion, you can record slow motion videos with the camera app. Just like that. And finally, you have the option of hyperlapse. And by using hyperlapse, you can record time-lapse videos using the camera app on your Samsung phone. Just like that. For the 2nd best camera settings, just open the camera app, then tap on More, and over here you will find the option of night. Just tap on it, and after you do that, you will enable night mode on the camera app. And by using night mode, you can improve the pictures you capture in low lighting environment. Now for the number 1 best camera settings, just open camera, and at the left side, you will find the option of fun. Just select it, and tap on continue. And by doing that, you will be able to use Snapchat filters within the camera app on your Samsung phone. Just like that. And these are the best camera settings on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.